Hi, I'm Rob the Ranger. That's enough about me. Let's look at some animals.
I think it's still red. Can't tell.
That's what I'm also
Cheek.
relying on. I'm not going to go and take it off them though.
I don't understand it. Here I was thinking your first concern was the When did the babies just go?
I mean, each time the water comes down, things get brought in from outside, and often they don't sort of appear until quite a few months later.
That was a watch those teeth.
Try once more.
Get up and mate with her as well. Wait a minute and see what happens.
I just want to sleep.
On va tirer là, ouais.
That's not going to be. That's all we've got time for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if you haven't done already, and like, share, leave a comment at the bottom, even if it's just to say hello. See you next time. You can also follow me on all the social networks with the hashtag #NowFilming for live updates from Safari.